Na nababo ka ba rin? Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga. Today guys is a sweet delightful day. Nagpapasalamat po kami kay Bram's Cakes and Pastries for sending us these. As a way of gratitude, I am requesting you guys to please like their page for more information about the products that they sell. So yeah, let's get into it. For the sake of this vlog guys, syempre hindi ko naman lahat to makakain. Probably I'll just gonna, taste some, yung mga medyo nagugustuhan ko talaga. Go first with their bestseller, Ultimate Dream Cake. So let's check another goodies right here. So ito ang kanilang Choco Moist Cake. Another sweet na naging popular lalong-lalo na ngayong quarantine period is yung Dalgona. And this is their version of Dalgona Mousse Ice Cream Cake. Okay, so another can to open is tinatawag nilang Brookies Bites. And then next to open is yung kanilang assorted brownies and bars. Yung parang gusto mo talagang kainin lahat pero alam na alam mong hindi dapat. So yeah, later we're gonna try this one and then of course I'm gonna share it with my family. So this is Chocolate Rebel Bars. Chocolate Rebel Bars. Another guys na pinadala nila is 3 nuts brown, 3 nuts fudge, 3 nuts fudge brownies. Kasama natin istorya para na ako. Anyway, 3 nuts fudge brownies. Napakita na natin kung ano yung nasa loob niya. Might as well taste it. Oh wow! Lastly, meron tayong Belgian chocolate chips brownies. Let's open that up. Let's taste it. Oh. I always say that you can't go wrong if it's chocolate. So once again guys, we would like to thank Bram's Cakes and Pastries for sending us these goodies. Sobrang mag-enjoy ng family ko dito, especially my wife because he's really fan of these, pastries and cakes. I really like this one. Yeah, I've tasted a lot of dream cakes before, but this one really stands out. So thumbs up to you, Bram's Cakes and Pastries. Again guys, I'm requesting you to check out their fan page. Give them a like. Sobrang dito, pinag-effort talaga yung mga products nila and you're gonna satisfy what I'm saying. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next video, please give this video a like, a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Until our next vlog, I'll see you there. Bye!